Hello and welcome YouTubers. In today's episode we're gonna be reviewing Carrera Subway One. This bike is owned by a friend of mine who asked me to do some service, clean and maintenance and adjustment for this bike. So the bike is a couple years old. It has aluminium frame and steel front fork without any suspension, so it's a rigid bike. Basic Shimano setup, wheel size 650, so it's just between size 27 and 700. So if you struggle with wheels 29 inches and 26 is too small for you, the solution is wheel size 650, which one we have here. Except this, the bicycle is equipped with mechanical disc brakes front and rear, Shimano brakes, Shimano gears, crankset there from Santur. It's a decent bike. It represents very good value for the money. In UK, Halford's selling Carrera, so that's how it looks like. In my opinion, because the frame is very sloppy, so it's very easy to access for somebody who not cycling often and don't want to buy a bicycle which will have ladies frame, so that one is very good proposition. Mechanical disc brakes, so there is no any problem with linking, replacing fluid and stuff like this. Just brake pads and cable. Sorry for the plane, not far from airport. Yeah. Bike needs some basic cleaning, adjustment, and put things together. That's how it looks like at the moment. It's a very decent bike. Represent very good value for money, like I said. You can buy them in Halfords. When you check the price after summer or Christmas time, they should be probably in promotion. Highly recommended. Yeah. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.